This was a pretty big project in Myrtle Beach. This golf course has been closed for, God, maybe like 10 years. So here it is, beginning, before, and after. This old ship was pretty roughed up, so there was a lot to be done. Well, we fixed all the gaps, repainted it, did the lettering, made the cannons, put the flags on it, and it came out really nice. The old statue, Captain Cain here, needed a lot of work and a lot of color, and now I heard he's even getting dates now. This course has been closed for about 10 years, and it is in really rough shape. A lot of work and a lot of color gave it its new look. The lighthouse was also part of that restoration, all refixed and repainted. These old poles were all over the park, so we dug them up, fixed them, patched them, and painted them. We knew we needed something on top of the mountain, so we came up with the idea of the World War II plane, the Flying Tiger. Boy, it was really cool to get to build that Flying Tiger. Out in front we made a couple of huge Tiki guys that were about 13 feet tall. Also the big life preserver. There, we got a lot done in a few weeks here at Captain Cains, Myrtle Beach. Here are some other art ideas that were made for other companies. Handmade stuff such as the ice cream bench, the Ark of the Covenant, to hand paintings, also facades on buildings, all hand painted, handmade here in America, to murals. Surfboards and so on. If you have an idea, I'm sure we can help you with that and produce just about anything you need. Thank you for watching my video.